mid-October. Work has begun. They're digging the ground floor out by 70 centimetres to enable injecting to take place. It's exciting. I'm in the basement and I've got to do a little bit of digging work myself to find out how deep the foundations go. The ground is just there, so we said we had 70 centimetres of foundations in other parts of the house. And hopefully it goes even deeper. Just clearing this and wow, rocks. Built to last, this house. Built to last. Just hope we don't hit earth anytime soon. I'm beginning to see moisture. That's water. Yeah. Oh God, look, can you see that? That's a little pool of water. So that's the water level. I don't know what that means. Is that good or bad? Time to take some pictures and show them to our crack team of experts. Dobro? You know, my years of filmmaking, I'm always told to get lots of material, and we've got lots of material. It's earth, tons of it. This is pretty much the end of week 1. The weather's been perfect, it's been warm, and hopefully this will continue for the next month before the truly bad weather arrives and work has to stop.